What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to cover probably the best trade we had for the day, and that was on AYRO. So this was a penny stock that was popping up today. It had some hype, had some momentum, so we figured this was going to be the one that would probably move today, and sure enough, it was one of the good penny stocks on the day. So we did send this out on the watch list today for our team as well. You'll notice that the stock is currently crashing because they just went through a direct offering. So we're not going to go into exactly what that is right now, but just know that in the event that you're watching a penny stock and it has a direct offering, it's just bad news and the stock is most likely going to crash. So anyways, let's put the trades on here for the stock today. Now, didn't trade it at all for market open, really just traded it pre-market. So you'll notice I started getting long on the stock today. AYRO down here at 439, 403, 444, and was selling all the way up on the move into as high as it looks like 480 when I took off my last 180 shares. So pretty much bought a couple thousand, 8,000 shares all the way down here in the lows and was selling it all the way up into the highs here on AYRO. So pretty much when we take the trades off, we can see what I was looking at here. All right. So you'll notice if we zoom out and look at this on a 4-hour time frame, AYRO pre-market, where I was entering my trade, was pretty much taking place right as we were about to cross over this previous top from a couple months back. Okay, at 410, we had a previous high here around 410. Right? And we had consolidation that had been taking place, around the 355 zone, right? We kind of topped, and then we finally broke through. We had the very all-time high or previous kind of all-time high here resistance, right? This 410 from the past couple months that was also breaking out. If you notice, you will see this green line on my chart. That is really the breakout level that I follow. So once I seen the price was trading up and kind of through our 2 standard deviation mark on the 4-hour time frame, I kind of figured we were going to see the stock have a breakout today. So pre-market, right, I was entering those trades right into this zone, right into that 410, the $4 zone, knowing that the price had creeped all the way back up to those kind of previous high levels where it was really pressing for a breakout. We had good volume. You could see we were getting relative volume spikes there too. That's what gave me the confidence to stay in my trade too, to let it approach into some of those pre-market high levels. Okay, so nonetheless, another reason I sold out here pre-market is at the time, that's kind of where my yellow and green levels were. So that was signaling to me that that was the resistance for the day at that moment in time. So walked away with a good $782 win. Didn't trade it anything once pre-market had concluded, right? I didn't trade it through the day, just traded it during the pre-market trading session for a good win. So the key takeaways from this video is the stock had some pretty good news. It was running up near its previous resistances. It had a pretty good formation, right? It had a very good looking flag pattern that occurred, right? Let me point it out for you if you don't see it. Okay, so we'll just draw this up with these trend lines, right? That was the flag pattern there that broke out. So good flag pattern, breaking over previous tops. We went long on it today. Good win for the team. So I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you like that recap. Hope it helps you learn something new along the way for those of you that are beginners. As always, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one.